Welcome to Paranormal Spectrums, a powerful toolkit for creating soundtracks for movies and video games, or for producing dark and atmospheric songs. The concept is unique. The 100 included sounds instantly create the mood of a typical horror scene. For flexibility in any production context, each sound comes with 8 sound variations and the ability to adapt those using the controls of the free chord player. Paranormal Spectrums combine sampled atmospheres with synthetic sounds. Let's take a look at how some of these sounds were created. An isolated station at midnight. Samples from the last train departing were combined with a hard and metallic absinthe patch. The result is the sound of a large and dangerous machine. Old machines can produce some disturbing sounds. This abandoned and rusting machine was overlaid with sounds from this drafty attic. During a sampling session here, the sound was captured, possibly by a car driving by in the distance. These samples were combined with a harmless bell-like sound, a synthetic vibrato and noisy swish. Mix this combination with some effects and you can get an unnatural soundscape called dark grinding. This is a real ghost town, a depressing place to visit and thus a great source for desolate, windy noises that were used in several sounds. In this industrial area, they are working at night with some strange-sounding machines. Recordings of the noises they produced were combined with a sad and melodic absinthe patch. The sound, called the Old Factory, imparts upon the listener a feeling of lost hope. The perfect setting for a horror scene, a dark and haunted forest. Wind and tree noises are great to create chilling atmospheres. Many samples from these areas were collected and combined as a starting point for a sound called Whispering Trees. Finally, some nice effects are added to make the trees growl.